Most consumer 3D printers hype speed but sacrifice print quality and reliability. Pick wrong and you waste $200 and end up with a dud. Ever tried printing a simple spare part only to battle warping or jams? Don't worry, this video has you covered with clear pics and why they stand out. Today I'm going to be going over the best 3D printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. From a first impression, the Adventurer 5M feels sturdily built and ready for frequent home, school, and makerspace use with reliability. This model clearly targets hobbyists, educators, and small design teams seeking fast, dependable prints without complex calibration or maintenance headaches. Constructed with a robust all-metal frame and compact profile, it maintains rigid alignment while occupying a practical footprint on crowded desks. Its build envelope supports a respectable print area of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. One-click automatic printing with integrated bed leveling simplifies setup and ensures flawless first layers for beginners and time-constrained professionals. Powered by a Core XY architecture that enables 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration. Additionally, it supports 3-second nozzle changes and a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle system for rapid transitions. Equipped with a 280 Celsius direct extruder, it supports nozzle sizes from 0.25 to 0.8 millimeters. For optimal performance, routinely clean the nozzle and platform and consult the A+ FAQ section for troubleshooting tips and proven solutions. Compared to the Anycubic Viper, the Adventurer 5M offers stronger heat tolerance and automatic bed leveling at startup. The pros include auto bed leveling, rapid print speeds, and a high-temperature extruder. The cons include higher price and larger footprint than typical desktop printers. During real-world testing, it delivered consistent first layers at elevated speeds and sustained dependable alignment across diverse materials with minimal calibration. Real-world testing confirms stable results within the 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter envelope. Real-world testing confirms stable results within the 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter envelope. Overall, the Adventurer 5M stands out for speed, reliability, and convenience for serious makers seeking enterprise-like results at home. At number 4, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. Initial impressions point to a premium build with an all-metal frame and rigid Core XY architecture ready for demanding workloads. This model targets serious hobbyists, educators, and professional makers who value speed without sacrificing detail, plus easy unboxing and setup. Its build volume measures 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, giving ample space for functional prototypes. Smart convenience shines with pressure-sensing automatic bed leveling that uses multi-point height detection to ensure perfect first layers every time. Multiple nozzle options include 0.25 millimeters, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. Integrated Flash Maker app enables remote monitoring, real-time progress tracking, parameter adjustment, alerts, and safe operation with auto shutdown and resume printing. Extensive material compatibility includes PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, and PC, broadening applications from prototypes to durable components. Core XY all-metal frame keeps stability during rapid maneuvers, enabling smoother prints at high speeds while maintaining precise layer alignment. Real-world testing confirms reliable first layers, minimal warping, and consistent extrusion across diverse materials under practical daily use. Design emphasizes user convenience with a dual-sided PEI plate enabling effortless model removal and swift post-print demolding. In comparison to the Anycubic Viper, the Adventurer 5M Pro delivers improved auto bed leveling and more stable high-speed printing. The pros include excellent auto bed leveling, robust all-metal build, and easy toolless model removal. The cons include relatively high price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the FLASHFORGE Ad5M. We designed this machine to empower both beginners and professionals, delivering approachable automation without sacrificing precision or creative control. Its chassis combines a durable all-metal Core XY motion system with a compact footprint, ensuring stable, quiet performance during rapid moves. The patented quick-release nozzle supports several diameters for precision or speed, and it can swap in about 3 seconds. Orca FlashForge Slicer enables one-click batch file transmission and multi-printer network monitoring. FlashMaker app lets you manage devices remotely. If power fails, it saves the current layer and resumes once power returns, while a double-sided PEI steel plate aids model removal. The build area measures 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, granting ample space for mid-sized projects. Compared to the Creality Ender 5 Plus, the AD5M emphasizes automatic leveling and faster setup right out of the box. The pros include easy automatic leveling, the sturdy all-metal core XY design offering reliable high speed, and a tool-free nozzle swap. The cons include higher price relative to basic printers and a somewhat steep learning curve for users new to advanced features. In real-world tests, first layers are consistently accurate thanks to automatic bed leveling, while speeds reach impressive levels with maintained quality. During a power outage simulation, the printer froze gracefully and resumed, a behavior that keeps complex prints intact and minimizes waste. The quick-release nozzle reduces downtime, while the double-sided PEI plate makes removal simple, supporting efficient workflows for frequent prints. Orca FLASHFORGE Slicer enables batch file transfers and network monitoring, while FlashMaker app lets you adjust parameters and monitor statuses remotely. Its feature set covers automatic leveling, rapid nozzle changes, parallel monitoring, and reliable recovery, defining a comprehensive workflow for desktop manufacturing. At number 2, we have the Anycubic Kobra S1C. From the moment you unbox it, the S1C presents a robust chassis and a fully enclosed chamber that promises safer operation. This design clearly targets hobbyists and educational teams seeking dependable multicolor capabilities without sacrificing approachable controls and predictable results. It excels in beginner safety and workflow confidence with automatic leveling and predictable filament paths, while Ace 2 Pro units cannot be used. The build feels premium with an integrated aluminum frame and thoughtful cable routing that minimizes wobble and enhances overall print stability. A compact footprint with a tall print area enables impressive models without crowding a workspace, while the enclosed body maintains stable temperatures. The color workflow shines by linking 2 Ace Pro units to unlock multiple color options, while optimized toolpaths minimize waste during transitions. Auto calibration comes with one-click leveling and vibration compensation, delivering reliable results for beginners while preserving precision for experienced users. Smart ecosystem connectivity through the Anycubic app and LAN enables remote monitoring, plus a quick swap nozzle design keeps creativity flowing. In real-world testing, stable temperatures persist during extended runs and dependable color changes occur when switching materials, underscoring durable performance. The advertised top speed claims coexist with careful calibration, enabling reliable prints even during rapid color changes and complex multicolor designs. Extended trials show occasional tweaks for certain materials, but overall the system remains reliable with minimal downtime and straightforward maintenance requirements. When compared to the elegant Neptune Pro, the Anycubic Kobra S1C offers faster color versatility while matching reliability for desktop workflows. In summary, the S1C delivers strong color functionality, seamless automation, and a safe workflow that unlocks creative possibilities. The pros include excellent color versatility, automatic bed leveling, and enclosed design that improves safety, material handling, and peace of mind. The cons include higher price and Ace Pro incompatibility, which complicates scaling color workflows for teams or enthusiasts with multiple units. At number 1, we have the Creality K2 Pro. From unboxing to daily use, the Creality K2 Pro conveys professional ambitions with a robust frame and thoughtfully integrated features. Its blend of durability, high speed, and smart monitoring clearly targets enthusiasts, small studios, and educators seeking reliable multi-material printing. A generous 300 by 300 by 300 mm build area sits inside a frame with precision rails for reliable performance. The design hides a 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, enabling ambitious prototypes and batch printing efficiencies. Integrated with the CFS Smart Filament system, it enables up to 16 color and multi-material printing for complex assemblies. The K2 Pro achieves ultra-fast performance with a claimed top speed of 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration. Active chamber heating maintains a stable environment up to 60 degrees Celsius, reducing warp when using ASA, PPACF, and other demanding filaments. Auto leveling uses bed probing to recalibrate only the print area, dramatically reducing setup time and improving first layer adhesion. The package includes the printer, CFS module, a Hyper RFID filament reel, a hardened steel nozzle, and smart calibration software to streamline setup. Smart dual AI cameras monitor the build chamber 24 hours a day, detect failures, verify bed adhesion, and capture time-lapse footage. Compared with the Prusa i3 Plus, the Creality K2 Pro delivers faster speeds and a larger build area at friendlier price. The pros include excellent build quality, expansive build volume, and advanced camera monitoring that continuously tracks prints and reduces failures. The cons include higher price versus entry-level models and a steeper learning curve for newcomers, plus a sizable footprint in compact spaces.